Namaste children, welcome to social class. In our previous class we learnt about changes that happen around us when we move to new places. Today we will learn about changes that can happen at school and also discuss how these changes affect us. What are the advantages or disadvantages of these changes? Let us begin.
Learning outcomes. By the end of this class, you will be able to identify changes happening around us and also explain how changes affect us. Resources required. Keep your social studio, companion and notebook along with pencil and eraser ready. Agenda. In today's session, we will learn about the changes at school and do some activities based on this concept. Later, we will understand how changes affect us and do one more activity based on it, and at the end, note down the home fun and summarize the session. Today's word in focus is nervous. It is an adjective, a describing word. It means worried, frightened or anxious. Next, comparison. Because nervous is an adjective, we will not have conjugations, it will have comparison. In comparative form, it is more nervous. In superlative form, it is most nervous. Derivative. Nervously. It is an adverb. Usage of the word. Both Ryan and I were very nervous. Neha spoke nervously on the stage. Note down this word in your notebook and add 2 more sentences of your own. New or difficult words from today's topic are excitement, a feeling of great happiness. Benefit, it means good or helpful result. Challenges means difficulties. What are the changes that can happen at school? One of the biggest changes that can happen when we move to a new place is having to go to a new school. Roshan and Ryan also had to move to a new school. Read what Roshan has written in his diary about his experiences on his first day at school. Do you have the habit of writing diary? A diary is a book where we record our day-to-day experiences. This is the diary entry of Roshan. He has written this on June 5th, 2018. Dear Diary, today was my first day at the new school. Both Ryan and I were very nervous. Nervous means feeling worried or anxious. Mom drove us to school. I did not want to leave my old school. My best friend Leland was there. Since Dad got a new job, we had to shift. I really miss my teachers and my friends. Rayan and I had not received our uniforms, so we had to wear our normal clothes. I felt awkward because all the others were wearing clean and neat uniforms. I went inside the classroom and sat at an empty bench. I could see my classmates pointing at me and whispering among themselves. After 10 minutes, a neatly dressed man entered our class. He told me that his name was Ahmad and he was our class teacher. He asked me to introduce myself to the class. Our class teacher asked who wanted to sit next to me. Most of them raised their hands. I was very happy and smiled at them. Then he called a boy named Tejas and asked him to move next to me. Tejas smiled at me as he took his seat next to me. I was not nervous anymore. We had English, math and science classes before lunch. During the lunch break, I had a chance to speak to everyone in the class. They took me to the ground to play. We played football and kho. I had good fun. After school, Mom came to pick us up. She told me that we would be taking the school bus from tomorrow. We have never traveled by the school bus before. I am happy to see new people and places, but I still miss my old school and my neighborhood. Roshan. Now let us do the look deep activity based on Roshan's diary entry. Answer the question. Why do you think Roshan was nervous? Write your answer in your own words. Roshan was nervous because he had moved to a new school. List at least 3 changes that Roshan sees around him. For example, a new think room or classroom. New classmates, new teachers, new friends, etc. Write 2 things that he is happy about. He is happy about making friends quickly and playing with them in the ground. How do these changes affect us? Moving to a new school can be a big change. Sometimes you might see a lot of changes even within your think room. You might have new classmates like Roshan, a new place to sit, or you might even have a new teacher. Changes like this bring about a lot of excitement. Now let us do the look around activity. Observe your think room and list 3 things that have changed since last year. Because we don't have the real classroom situation right now, you can even consider our Google Classrooms and list the 3 things that have changed since last year. For example, you have new teachers or new classmates, online teaching, and new timetable or new lessons. Next, we have an activity in Companion, page 15. Changes are happening around us all the time. Sometimes you might notice these changes happening, but sometimes you do not. Night becoming day and a seed turning into a plant are changes that happen around us all the time. Think of 2 other examples of changes that are happening around you all the time. For example, ripening of fruit. Think of more examples. Describe the changes and draw pictures too. Next activity is Think and Ink in your studio. Here are some changes that can happen at home, school, or neighborhood. Identify how the changes might affect you. For each change, suggest at least one benefit or a challenge. As I told you the meaning of benefit and challenge in the word wall, benefit means useful result or advantage. Challenge means difficulty. If you think a change has both a benefit and a challenge, list both. An example has been provided. The change given is a new mall in the neighborhood. So what are the benefits? You will have more shops and entertainment. And what is the challenge? Traffic will increase and also pollution. Next, moving to a new house. What are the benefits? You can think of your own answers. I am just giving you few possible answers. When you move to a new house, you will make new friends, you will have new rooms in your house. Challenges. You will be missing your old house, old friends. Next change. Moving to a new think room or classroom. Benefits. You will have new teachers and new classmates. Challenges. Missing old teachers, old friends. Next change, joining a new school. The benefits are having new friends and new uniform. Challenges, missing old teachers and it involves travel. Next change, a new park in the street. The benefits are options to play outside and less TV time. Challenges: traffic may increase, there can be a lot of noise around. Closing of an ATM on the street. Benefit: less traffic. Challenge: travel far for another ATM. So changes can happen all the time. They can take place at home, in our school, neighborhood, and all around us. They can be big or small, and they can be good or bad. Time to note down the home fun. Complete these activities in Studio and Companion. Let's summarize. When we move to new places, we'll observe some changes at school. We will find new classrooms, new teachers, and new friends. In our next class, we will learn how to deal with changes. Please post your doubts in Google Classroom. Until then, stay home and keep learning. Thank you.